It's lasted very well, and I've had previous implants that did not work as well. So this has been the best.
Today we're going to present Jim. He's 77 years old and he had a hair transplant, a strip transplant with us 2 years ago, and it was 3,000 grafts, and I'm going to show you the pre-op photographs. You can see here that he had a Norwood 4 pattern with balding of the interior one half of the scalp. Like immediately post-op, and you can see that we have filled in the front half of the scalp.
It's lasted very well, and I've had previous implants that did not work as well. So this has been the best.
And what's your experience of the staff and everybody else?
Always very good, very understanding, and no complaints there. I would definitely recommend Dr. Gupta. It's very good.